Ever found yourself needing to split a bill, pay back a friend, or send money for a birthday gift, only to realize your bank is Ally and their bank is, well, something else? How do you send money instantly without the hassle of fees or waiting days for a transfer to go through? The answer is simple: Zelle. And if you're an Ally Bank customer, you're in luck because Zelle is built right into your digital banking experience, making it incredibly easy to use. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to get started and send money in minutes. First things first, you need to be enrolled. It's a quick process. Just log into your Ally Bank account, either through the mobile app or on the website. From the main menu, look for Payments, and then select Zelle. You'll be prompted to confirm your profile information, like your U.S. mobile number or email address. This is the key piece of information others will use to send you money, so make sure it's accurate. Once you've verified everything, you're all set to go. Now, let's talk about sending money. In the Zelle section, choose Send. You'll then be able to select a contact from your phone or manually add a new one using their email or U.S. mobile number. Remember, Zelle is meant for sending money to people you know and trust. It's not a service for paying for goods or services from strangers. Once you've chosen your recipient, enter the amount you want to send, review the details, and hit Send. The money is typically sent within minutes, and they'll receive a notification. What about receiving money? It's even easier. If someone sends money to the email or phone number you enrolled with Zelle through Ally, the money will automatically be deposited into your account, usually within minutes. You don't have to do a thing. Ally Bank will notify you when the money has arrived. One of the best parts about using Zelle with Ally is that there are no fees to send or receive money. It's a free service designed for your convenience. Just make sure to double-check that you're sending to the right person before you hit send, because Zelle payments can't be canceled once they are on their way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.